So I've been asked to break down the Charleston Step, so here it is. The Charleston Step is just a point forward and a point back. Now so you pointing right foot forward, pointing the left foot back. It can be done on the opposite leg, but for these purposes we're going to start with our right foot forward. Okay, now it gets a bit more complicated. There's nothing wrong with doing that, that's fine, but it can get more complicated, so we want to try and swivel it. So the first thing you need to do is concentrate on that front heel going in. Okay, so as you point your right foot forward, turn your heel in, step and point back and step forward. So only concentrating on that forward one. Twist that heel in, twist the heel in. Okay, now when you've got that, you can start to concentrate on the backwards one, turning the heel in as well. So not just the front one, you turn the backwards one in as well. And you're probably going to find one of them harder than the other. Okay, so you're turning both heels going in as they are pointing forward and pointing back. Okay, now when you've got that, you'll start to notice that your foot begins to go out first. So your heel comes out, or your toe goes in, then it goes out. Okay, so you've got your heel in, so heel out, heel in. Heel out, heel in. Heel out, heel in. Okay, and the same on the backwards one, you've got heel out, heel in. Heel out, heel in. Heel out, heel in. Okay, so as you're going forward and back, it's heel out, in, and you're going backwards, heel out, in. Step, heel out, in. Step, heel out, in. Step, out, in. Step, out, in. Step, out, in. Step, out, in. Step. And what happens from here, you start to put a bit of weight on the twisting foot, a little bit of weight, and then what happens is your other foot starts to come in at the same time. So as that heel goes out, this one also goes out. So we go out. Okay, and as it comes in, your other heel goes in at the same time. So everything goes out, everything goes in. Out, in. Okay, so it goes out, in. Okay, out, in. Now as you're going backwards again, you've got the heels out as you're stepping backwards in. Okay, so we've got your heels out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Let's try the backwards one. So your left foot's back, your heels go out, in, out, in, out, in. So everything goes out, everything goes in. Okay, so nice and slowly, we go out, in. Now we go out again, out, in. As that foot goes behind. Then you're going to start the left one, out, in. Now your heels go out again, out, in, as that foot goes forward. Out, in, 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 out, in. Okay, so it is easy once you've got it, but it does take a while. You must go through these steps really slowly. You get perfect slow steps, you're going to get great fast steps.